No man at all can be living forever, and we must be satisfied. Riders to the Sea is a story of an old, feeble, destitute mother. Let's begin the story with the characters. It is a one-act play set in Irish atmosphere. Nora, Kathleen, these are the sisters, while Bartley is their only brother. There is a priest in the story, and Moria. Moria is an old woman who is the mother of these children. Besides, we often hear about Michael, but he does not appear in the play physically. When the curtain opens, we find ourselves in a poor Irish cottage kitchen where Kathleen is spinning dough to make dry cake for her brother Bartley. As Bartley is going out for some traveling, then her younger sister Nora comes with a bundle of clothes, and she asks about her mother Moria in a whispering sound, as if she is hiding something from the mother. These clothes were given to Nora by a priest of the church. He tells Nora that a body was found from a certain distance, and if you could recognize the clothes as of Michael's, then tell your mother that Michael has a proper burial. They want to hide these bundle of clothes from their mother because माइकल 9 days पहले समंदर पर गया था, लेकिन उसके बाद कभी वापस नहीं आया. एंड द फैमिली इज थिंकिंग दे हैज़ ड्राउंड, माइकल हैज़ ड्राउंड इन द सी, बट मदर मोरिया वांट्स अ प्रॉपर बरियल ऑफ हर सन. She expects a proper Christian burial of her son. इस कहानी का सबसे ट्रैजिक पार्ट यही है कि Moria has lost her husband and her 5 sons to the sea. They were all riders to the sea. Moria comes out of the room and she asks about Bartley, because on that very day C was in a really bad mood. It was a day full of sound and fury. Meanwhile, Bartley appears on the stage. He is searching for a rope to tie his horses. He is ready to go out to sell his horses, as Bartley is the only male member left. He thinks that family needs money, and in this context, he wants to sell the horses to some people, and he wants to go to the other town. But Moria tries to stop him, because she is afraid that the sea is in a very furious mood, and she does not want her son to let go. But he is insistent and finally leaves home. Moria उसको घर से निकलते वक्त कोई दुआ भी नहीं देती. And in Irish society it is considered as a bad omen कि बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स की दुआ लिए बगैर घर से जाएं, तो it is a bad omen in Irish society. Even in our own society it is also considered bad. Kathleen and Nora ask their mother not to be so negative, as she continuously perpetrates that Bartley भी मर जाएगा and he will not come alive. But the sisters, the daughters, tell their mother not to be so negative, that God will not leave them so destitute as she is thinking. Suddenly Kathleen realizes that she has not given Bartley the cake which she was preparing for him. So Moria goes behind Bartley to give him food and blessings. When Moria is gone, both the girls open the bundle and recognize the clothes of their brother Michael. अब इसी दौरान मोरिया जो है वो केक लेकर बाटले के पीछे जाती है कि उसे फूड दे सके, एंड शी कुड ब्लेस हिम ऑल्सो. एंड बिहाइंड इन द किचन द बोथ सिस्टर recognize the clothes of their brother, and Kathleen अपने हाथ की सिली हुई माइकल की शर्ट को पहचान लेती है. They start crying. In the meanwhile, Moria comes back in a panic-stricken situation. She is unable to speak Afterwards, she reveals that she saw the ghost of Michael riding behind Bartley. And viewers, this is a symbol that Bartley would also die. After knowing this, Kathleen also behaves hysterically. She continuously exposes her fear that now our Bartley, our last brother, would also die. Nora, Kathleen and Moria, they all start crying. Can you imagine the pain, the sadness, the tragedy of this family? कि उनके सारे मेल मेंबर्स इसी तरह से समंदर में डूब के मर चुके हैं, and Bartley was the last one and they have lost him too. Anyhow, Kathleen shows Michael closest to Moria and breaks the news that Michael is also dead. During the course of time, the news of Bartley's death is also given to the Moria and her daughters. Moria sprinkles holy water on the dead body of Bartley. She bows down and says that tonight she could sleep calmly as she does not have anything to lose. Feel the tragedy, feel the emotion of this woman. Now she has nothing to lose, so she can sleep in a better way tonight. All the preparations which were made for Michael's burial are now to be used for Bartley's funeral, and then curtain falls. ऐसा नहीं है कि Irish people are afraid of death. Moria just wanted a proper and decent burial of her sons. Thank you so much for watching the videos, and for more queries do write me in the comment box.